Introducing the AMANO MJR-7000, dependable time tracking built for real workplaces. Its rugged all-steel construction is designed for office and industrial environments and supports up to 100 employees. Each in and out punch is printed clearly on the employee's time card. The MJR 7000 automatically totals worked hours and separates regular time from overtime. It works with all pay periods, with punch rounding and automatic break deduction to match your workplace policies. Optional capabilities include a signal kit for scheduled bells and full power reserve, allowing employees to punch during a power failure. For three-shift operations, the MJR 7000 EZ includes all MJR 7000 features, plus three-shift programming. For larger workforces, the MJR 8000N accommodates up to 250 employees with the same core time recording capabilities. The AMANO MJR 7000, reliable time tracking, built to work.